Welcome.
Thank you very much. Merhaba.
Merhaba. What are your impressions about this event so far?
The event's been great. We were only in the first morning session already, and I've just come out of a really engaging panel. It was great to see brand and agencies and ourselves all come together to be able to talk about brand safety and broader industry topics. So I thought it was a really engaging topic. Everyone seems to be quite engaged, hopefully, and looking forward to the dialogue and the network that comes after this event as well.
Great. So, what are the emerging opportunities and threats for brands in this digital environment?
Yeah, so I think we spoke to a lot of the opportunities that exist out in the marketplace. I think talking about mobile, talking about more customization in areas like brand safety, and making sure that we tackle wastage in the industry, such as non-viewable ads, are all things that everyone got really behind. I think the threats is more an opportunity as well. It's more about how do we actually make sure that we all come together as an entire industry to help solve what are current key focal points in the industry, such as ad fraud, brand safety and extremism, and make sure that we all come together to be able to solve those using technology as a lever through it, and also creative thinking and ensuring that we have a way forward in terms of solving these problems.
Okay, one last question.
Sure.
What will we talk about as brand safety issues or anything else next year when we're here?
I think what we'll be talking about is what have we achieved in the space of brand safety. So what I'm hopeful for is, coming off the back of this event, people are inspired to be able to take away strategies and mechanisms with which will help their brands to make sure that they have a customized, brand appropriate targeting strategy, and make sure that we can all come back and talk about the learnings that we've been able to achieve and the success of those.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.